Welcome everyone to another Shaolin empty hand kata. Now this kata is little different from the others. In this kata, there are several palm attack techniques. See the demonstration and you will understand. See, I told you there are many palm attack strikes. Many of them ignore this strike, but you can also defend yourself with this strike. I show you this kata from two sides. Now remember, this is just first part. So I show you just several moves. Now it's time to explanation. The first one, after performing a normal block, hit in the attacking hand and then perform a palm attack, your opponent's nose or in the chest. The second one is for the heavy straight punch. First, change its direction and then attack a palm attack, nose or in the chest. Third one is kick blocking. First one is hand block and the second one is knee block. With this knee block you can also damage your opponent's leg. Now this technique is little difficult. First, block your opponent's heavy punch with your two hands wrist and then perform punch on your opponent's face. The final one is toe crashing. After attacking a simple palm attack or any simple punch, quickly attack in the toes of your enemy. He will not expect this kind of attack. So this is it. Thanks for watching and take care.